How to delete your work on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your work on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here click this one, profile information, and now click here. You will find your work. If you want to delete it, just click this pen here, and here you will find delete and click remove, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.